Hi, thanks for watching VivWilliamsTV. I love decorating for the holidays. It is so much fun. I especially like it when people take the time to make something that's homemade because it's so special. I also like to bring elements from outside in for my displays, and I also like to go shopping in the produce section for ideas. So let's head over to one of my friend's house where she's going to show us how to make an amazing, gorgeous holiday topiary out of apples and artichokes.
This idea can also be used with lemons or limes. You could use little squashes if you wanted to use it for Thanksgiving. And it's pretty easy to do. To make this, you get your favorite flower pot.
Nice.
And then at your craft store, you can buy a form. And it's just important that it fits in your pot.
Then Kenna wraps sheet moss around the form.
And it's the coolest stuff. You can use it in wire baskets for flowers or window boxes.
She cuts off the extra to save for another project.
And then you use floral pins. These little items, and you just pin it down.
Easy.
Put it in your pot. And that's how you begin.
Now to attach the apples and artichokes.
I think it's easier to start from the bottom and go up. And then you need to use these wooden floral picks. And you put it in the bottom of the apple. And you have to be careful that you don't go through the apple, which I've done. And then hold your topiary here. And then use your snippers to push it in. So you're not pushing on the top of the apple and the pick comes through.
Voila.
Now on the artichokes, they usually have a stem on them, so you need to cut the stem off. So now we've got the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So you just have to adjust it.
I love it. It is just happy.
You can, if you like, put a ribbon on.
Makes it festive.
Yeah, and I kind of like to just poke it in. And this is a ribbon that has wire in it, so you can kind of make it different shapes.
I think it's lovely. It really looks beautiful. A wonderful holiday display. Thank you, Kenna, and thanks for watching VivWilliamsTV. See you next time.